Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change language in Windows 10. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to click on the start menu on the bottom of left panel. There you need to click on setting icon. Inside setting page, you need to click on the time and language. Now here you need to click on the language on the left panel. Now here you will be able to see the option of Windows display language. You click on the drop down menu and you will be able to choose the language. Also you can add preferred language by clicking on add a language and you go in for choosing any of the language that you want to add on your Windows. Once you found your language, you also can make that language as the Windows display language. You just need to click on next. Then you need to click on install language pack, text to speech and handwriting, then click on install. As you can see, the language is being updated. It is in pending. After it will be completed, then you can go in for update this language in your Windows display. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change language in Windows 10. Thank you.